1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, 6.6 liter 403 automatic, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning. Beautiful setup, very clean car, great driver, very reliable, and a pretty good paint job. As you can see, the snowflake wheels, dual side sport mirrors, red interior, tilt wheels, 6x9s, BFGs all around. Sits nice. Glass is good, trim is good, weather stripping is good. Automatic trans, like I mentioned, clean interior, 8-track factory player, nice dash, nice headliner, nice back seat, all seat belts intact. Nice door panels, underneath is clean. Great driver, great price, great color combo. Let's fire it up. Tilt wheel. Nice seats. Blows cold air. Radio does function. Hold on. You got the trunk opener there. Nice dash. Nice stock 6.6 liter automatic with power windows. Radio tuned suspension. Nice door panels. If you need financing, you will need good credit. Credit starts at about 650 up to a 780. You will need $4,300 down. That's it, $4,300 down. You can finance the rest with low payments, long terms. Rates start anywhere in the 7-8% range. And for those of you who have excellent credit, meaning 780 and higher, no money down options are available. If you need delivery right to your driveway, give me a text with your zip code. Tell me it's a 1979 Trans Am, red, automatic, and your zip code, and I will send you a quote right to your driveway. We are licensed, insured, and bonded for delivery, so that's not a problem. My name is Thomas, and I can be reached at 847-848-1850. Guys, gals, thank you for watching MGM Classic Cars. You guys have a great day. Let me know if you want this in your garage.